you have a good day?
No!
Right.
Oh my god. This is instant messaging now, Kim.
Yeah, I know! Can you hear me?
No! Can you hear me?
Go away!
Let's have a look at it.
Good day?
Can you?
Oh my god, he put on that.
Go away!
Did he?
No,
You
don't
put on
Why
that.
just go away? He can be my life and you not.
You
Don't
put on
put
that.
good
That's
day.
wicked.
Right, just go away!
Don't put good day.
Oh my, now I put go!
Just put house things.
Now I put go!
She has wrote as well.
Put how was Wednesday? Right, just go away.
What did you do
I don't know
Wednesday?
where it is.
Today.
How was Wednesday?
Is that a video?
Yeah. That's a keeper.
Just put house things. You gotta get the video around the whole room as well.
Oh, it's teas and I'm getting cold now, Kim.
Kim, don't write an essay on there. I'm not.
No,
I'll
just
have a
quick
look.
messages.
No, just go away now because you're all doing my head in.
What have I done?
Very boring, long day. How was Wednesday for you?
Go away, Bert. Can I have some of my tea?
Hola!
I don't feel sick.
Oi, oi! Oi, oi!
Rosie! Right, just go away, all of you.
He's not writing back though. Comes up with a little speech mark when he's writing.
Yeah.
And he ain't writing, mate.
Kim, do you want to move over?